Woodpecker's 12-in-1 layout tool consists of 2 scales with carefully machined grooves connected to each other with a thumbwheel. By aligning the scales to each other in different configurations, you can perform 12 essential measuring and marking jobs. Let's head out to the shop in Strongsville, Ohio, and see how they're made. The arms are cut from sheets of stainless steel on our massive cutting laser. Then they're milled in our CNCs to bring the laser cuts into tolerance and create the interlocking grooves. Then the scales are laser engraved, and the parts all head to the assembly department. From there, they're ready to head to your shop. Stay tuned to the Woodpeckers YouTube channel for more production updates.